Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sunny. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite online stores. I love talking about this topic because I love online shopping and I love unique clothes, especially like really floral, vintage, kind of girly outfits, and that's really my kind of aesthetic and my kind of style that I really like. So a lot of the online stores I'll be sharing with you guys today are very girly. So if you guys have similar tastes like me, you guys will love this video. But if you guys have different tastes, maybe it can be a reference, or maybe you can refer it to someone else or your friends. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this video started. The first online store that I'm gonna share with you guys is called Manor. Apparently it's pronounced Manyon in Korean. I discovered this brand on YesStyle, and then I went onto their original website and looked for more stuff because they're actually really girly, and most of them are very pretty pastel color blouses, dresses, and they're very much inspired by modern Victorian style. So if you guys are into that, you guys will love this site. But they also have a couple of simple outfits as well. So if you guys are girly and if you're looking for something unique, definitely check out Manor. It's one of my favorite, the Manyon, I guess. My favorite pieces of the outfit that I usually get from Manor is their blouses and also their dresses in general, because their dresses are really high quality. A lot of them are quite unique that you can't really find in other online stores. A lot of the Korean online stores in general, they tend to be pretty similar. If you guys already know where you guys shop, and if you guys already know the type of clothing that you like, and if you shop a lot online, things could be pretty generic. But Manor is one of my favorite stores that I think is pretty unique on its own. So a lot of their stuff aren't sold on other online stores as well. So that's pretty much a good thing about Manor, and they're very, very girly. The second one is Taba Girl. Taba Girl is also available on YesStyle, and I also discovered it from YesStyle and also went back to their site and got more. Taba Girl is a lot more modern and a lot more simple. So if you guys are into those sexy look but still very modern and simple, you guys will love Taba Girl. If you guys didn't like Manor earlier, you guys will love Taba Girl. Taba Girl has wide ranges of clothing style. They have from girly, laces, but mostly they're very simple and modern. If I can recommend one thing to buy from Taba Girl, is definitely their jeans. They have amazing jeans and a lot of them are very unique as well. So if you guys are denim girl like me, I love denim so much. I love collecting them. I like different type of pieces and different type of fit. So if you guys love that, and if you're petite as well, you guys will also love Taba Girl because they have a lot of the jeans that will fit petite sizes. But the downside of Taba Girl, some of their dresses can be a little bit of a hit or a miss. I got one of their dresses and the quality wasn't that great, and then I bought another dress from them and it was actually really good. So Taba Girl could be a hit or a miss, but mostly for me 80% was a hit. So yeah, do be careful. Try to look at the fabric and everything on their site before you buy it, because it could be a hit or miss for others. Now on to my favorite one. I have been in love with this brand. It's called Some Days. I got to know this brand from Kim because we went to Hongdae together I think a few months ago, and then I really loved this brand called Ring My Button. It was right across the street from Some Days in Hongdae. So Some Days has a physical store. If you guys want to know, I'll put the address right here so you can just like neighbor map it and go there straight away. But they have more things online. Unfortunately for Some Days, it's not available on YesStyle, so you guys have to go to their store, or you guys have to ask your friends who are Korean to help you guys order things from the site. So yeah, that's the only downside, but other than that, I love all of their stuff here. They're very girly. If you guys love blouses, if you guys love skirt, very girly, you don't really like denim and things like that, you love this type of blouses, you guys will definitely fall in love with Some Days. A lot of their clothing are good quality, and also their price is not that expensive. They range from 10,000 all the way to 30, and I don't think it goes above like 40,000 Korean won, which is probably like 39 USD. I love how they're really good at mix and matching. I think Some Days does the best mix and matching out of all of the stores that I mentioned. I'm sorry for other stores, but I think they're really good at styling their mannequins, styling their models, because a lot of the styling of the blouses and the skirts I've never actually even thought of before. I like looking at the whole mix and match, and sometimes I just buy the whole thing. Some Days is my favorite. It's a lot more formal than other online stores because they have a lot of the office skirt and blouses. So if you guys are working and you want to spice up your office outfit, definitely check out Some Days. They're very cute. You guys now can go to office with style. So this is one of my favorite stores. Definitely check it out. I love it so much. The next store is Tahong. I really like Tahong because they're really good at selling casual outfits. I bought a lot of their shirts, sweatpants, sweatshirts on this site before, and I really like them. Also, I really like their accessories. I think their accessories are really affordable, and they're very unique. So if you guys wanna be updated with fashion, but you want it to be a lot more affordable, go to Tahong and get it. Unfortunately, Tahong is also not available on YesStyle, which is so annoying. I really hope YesStyle update on Tahong and just sell it on their site for you guys, because I really love this brand. It's very casual. A lot of their stuff are casual. I rarely buy blouses and things like that from this store because it's pretty generic, but other than that, everything else is really good and very affordable. A lot of their prices are actually so much more cheaper than other stores that I've mentioned earlier. They actually start from like 8,000, 7,000, 8,000 all the way till 60, but 60 they're generally like coats, jacket, padding, so it is pretty understandable why they're more expensive for 60,000, but other than that, everything else is so much cheaper. So Tahong is also one of my favorite. The next store, surprise surprise, is Chew. I love Chew, and I've always been a fan of this brand because they're very cute. I love their casual outfit. A lot of their hoodies are my kind of hoodie because they're very cute, playful, and I love their brand collaboration like Fan Fan Chew, Peko collaboration, and so many more. So I love this brand. They're very adventurous. I love Chew. So if you guys are not that into fashion but you love something casual and very playful and colorful, you guys will love Chew. But recently Chew, I think they came out with a lot of the mature vibe type of clothing, and I think it's called Dali Hotel. So Dali Hotel is a lot more mature, but the normal Chew are a lot more cuter and very lively. So they have casual, girly, sporty, and Dali Hotel, and also their collaboration with other brands as well. So I really love Chew, and they always send me their latest collection. So thank you so much, Chew. I love you all so much. The next one is an accessory online store. It's called Theoria. Theoria is my newest discovery accessory store or accessory brand that I fell in love with. When it comes to jewelry, they have silver, they have gold 14K, so it's a lot more expensive for the gold 14K one, but if you opt for normal silver one, it should be a lot cheaper. The main focus of this jewelry is actually tulip. A lot of the accessories are inspired by tulip, but very vintage, very classy and simple. So if you guys are into dainty accessories but still classy, you guys will love Fiore. I just fell in love recently with this brand and I just want to get more things, but unfortunately they're a little bit pricier than other brands that I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. But I really love how unique they are. I'm not sure if they do worldwide shipping though. If they don't, make sure to ask your friends who are in Korea to get you. Some of their stuff ranges from 30 all the way to 200 Korean won, which is around like 199 USD. So it can get a little bit expensive, but if you guys love collecting them like I do, definitely check this website out. The next brand is my favorite jewelry brand of all time. It is Nano Fingers. I love Nano Fingers because they're very colorful and they're very vibrant. So if you guys love really colorful jewelry pieces like earrings, bracelet, choker, or necklaces, you guys will love Nano Fingers. And also Nano Fingers does worldwide shipping, but I suggest you guys to get them when they're on sale, so you guys can get like free shipping, and then on top of that you get more discount on the stuff that you guys like on this site. So Nano Fingers is based in Korea. They're a local brand, and I really love how every single pieces are very unique and they always have a story behind it. So one of their earrings is actually inspired by rose bouquet, and that's how they make, I'll put the design right here, rose bouquet, and they try to use an object to make their earrings, like, you know, the object inspiration like rose bouquet, tulip, and things like that. So I really love it, and they're also very affordable. A lot of their earrings ranges from 10,000 all the way to 40 or 50,000 won, which is really affordable. And I have a lot of their earrings and they're really good quality. So if you guys are into earrings like me, you guys will definitely love it. And for me, I like really interesting ones, and I don't really like earrings from a typical online store like Instagram online stores and things like that. I mean, I like some of them, but I don't generally love all of them because they're very generic and you can buy them anywhere. But Nano Fingers, they're designed by a jewelry designer, so I feel like it's a lot more like special, and jewelry pieces are like an art for me. I love collecting them. It's like collecting art. It's collecting a design. So I really love Nano Fingers in that sense because they're very unique. Please do me a favor, if you guys are not interested in the clothes, just do me a favor, check out Nano Fingers because they do worldwide shipping, and you guys are gonna thank me for this because they're beautiful. The last accessory online store that I want to talk about here is Bling Star. So Bling Star is the only Instagram online store that I really like out of all because they're very unique, and a lot of the Korean celebrity K-pop idols, all their stylists buy their earrings here. A lot of the new performances that popped out, if you see any idols wearing really nice earrings, they're generally almost all of them are from Bling Star. So this is one of them that I got from Bling Star, and I will be making my favorite Bling Star and Nano Fingers earrings collection to share with you guys. But I really love them and I think they're unique, and a lot of them are very girly, and when you see them you guys will know what I mean. I'll just put their Instagram right here, so definitely check it out. And yeah, so this one particularly does not ship worldwide, so you guys have to ask your friends in Korea to help you get them because they're only available via Kakao. So if you guys can't speak Korean, it's gonna be really hard because the owner, she replies in Korean. So yeah, make sure you guys ask your friends to get it because a lot of them are really cute. So that's all. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕.